Okay, so I'm now going to show you how to just get around this window area here, because you do need to make a few cuts in it. It isn't just going to go in there nice and easy. So following a few steps will certainly help you on your way. What I'm going to do first, as you can see, I've curled the paper out to where this part of the window is, the window sill. So I'm going to make some cuts in here first with a Stanley knife. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come up to there, and I'm going to come down, just stopping there. So just creating an X. And what we're going to try and do is just work this piece of paper around here. And we want to be cutting through the centre of this paper, in between this edge here. I'm going to come across nice and careful through here. You don't want to leave it too short, because when it comes underneath the window sill, it will not sit under there. Sometimes you can cut it too short and you're left with a bit of a mess underneath. So that now will allow these two pieces to move much freer, and we can actually get those to where we need them to be. Okay, and that's nicely under there as well. Now we're just going to work it around the top edge, nice and carefully. We don't want to start ripping this paper. Work with it nice and easy. Okay, so we can see we've got a crease coming up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut halfway through that crease, just allowing us to be able to move that in to that corner there. As you can see, we're starting to get in and around there now, and then just really work it up into that corner of that piece of architrave into the window. And again, it's going to be a case of just using that cutting method. It's about time I change my blade now. Although, where did I... There they are. I've got to change. Oh, actually, I've got a new blade over here. So that's that blade gone. New blade in for making these cuts here. So I'm going to come in and out of this corner. Come to there. I'll trim these other pieces off in a minute. And I'm just going to follow this all the way down. And then across the bottom. Down there. Back as we can. And I'm going to come underneath the window sill. gets us round that nice and neatly. So there we are, right underneath there. Nice and tight against that. Same up against there, into this corner. And then all the way up.